So now I also want to change this. So I'm going to have to edit my title block now. So I click on the title block. I edit the family. And then I zoom in over here. And I put my last name in here. And I put my W number here. And then I load it into the project. Okay, there we go. So now I've got my name in here. Load it into the project and overwrite. There we go. Okay, so now I've got my name here. Got design 352 here. I've got ROS here. Now let's go look at these general notes. So let's come down to the general notes and go to my annotation screen and text. And under text, I got to pick the size. I don't want it huge like that. I probably want it to be 1/4 inch when I put it in here. And I'm going to make a little text box here. And now I have to put something in that. So I'm going to go to my general notes, highlight, copy, right click, paste. And it's pretty big. That's still pretty big. That's 1/4 inch tall. So let's change that. Change that to 3:30 seconds. There we go. So now my stuff is right. And I've got some work to do here, right? So I've got my general notes. I'm going to double click in here. I always number them. And you can read these. These are just typical general notes. Oops. 6. Sort of how they're often done, and often there's a little space between them. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. You can decide. I think we have room for it on this one. Now here's the cool thing. I just put that into my general notes view, and when I go back to my cover page, sheets, cover, they showed up. And literally, this is what you end up doing. You start copying and pasting things into place. This is a very typical entry-level job for somebody who's assisting in a land planning operation, that they're going to work on the title block, work on the notes, project location. You'll be putting this all together. You don't have to know what all this stuff is. There will usually be a template of some sort. So there we go. That's step 1 of the project. Add the project information to the title blocks and copy and paste the general notes into the drafting view. And remember, save early and often. Save. So that you've got it done.